Kapag nakita nyo itong bakery felt sa SM Mega Mall, I'm sure makakapture din ito ang attention nyo. This giant pastry in front is so cute. Super nice din ang concept nila, nakalatag na lahat ng available pastries with description, babasahin mo na lang. Ang dami ding interesting flavors like this cheesy first date, labuyo love life, and the creamy laing. After trying this cafe, hindi lang siya gimmick. I love their coffee and pati na rin yung pastry na na-try ko. Ang nice din ng concept na may mood board and marami ring seats available. For my first try, I ordered their morning brew coffee and the SL flan. I asked the staff kung ano yung hindi masyadong matamis and they recommended this to me. SL flan has a signature brioche with Palawan cashew cookie for that crunchy base, slightly sweet and tangy yung calamansi, cloud-like cream at the middle, and on top is a square slice of leche flan with zesty daya. At 70 pesos, okay na yung price nitong morning brew coffee nila for me. Mindanao beans yung gamit nila with Philippine cinnamon, and for the sweetness, may spice coconut yama jam. This is strong, thick, and creamy. If you're not a fan of coconut taste, this is not for you kasi lasang-lasa dito yung lasa ng coconut. The brioche is so good, slightly crunchy, saktong-sakto lang sa akin yung tamis and pagkatangi ng cloud cream. At gustong-gusto ko yung leche flan with dayap. Hindi siya nakakaumay. Medyo nahirapan lang ko i-cut yung base. Yung pala, that is the Palawan cashew cookie base. Nung nakuha ko na siya, nakadagdag siya sa sarap and sa texture. Meron ba kayong other favorites here? Share naman!